Are you guys seeing this right now? Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. This is my first time braiding and I wanted to just make this video because if I can do it, anybody can do it. So I'm going to show you like my technique of how I fed in the hair to do these knotless braids. Oh my gosh, love! Woo! So this is the hair that I used. Model, 3 times glance formation natural touch braid, and it is pre-stretched. I made sure to clean it. I used apple cider vinegar and then shampoo to make sure that I didn't have the itches. I used these clips to keep hair out of the way. A rat tail comb, obviously. That's used for parting, and to comb out the hair, I use this gel. I hope that you guys enjoy this little tutorial. I just wanted to show you that a newbie can do it too, and hopefully this helps. If you have not braided your hair before, it's super easy. You just gotta take your time, and once you get the flow, you get the flow. So I'm just a new braider trying to show the rest of the new braiders like what I did to hopefully help you guys out. So first I section off my hair with pieces like this. You're literally just grabbing the little bunches, and for each braid I do, I just need 2. So I just put it on my chair like this. And that makes it easier because it's just like readily available for me. And let's see, so I saved this one for the tutorial. I put the rest of my hair away. I have a clip. And I had my friend section off my hair because she was over here the other day. Because like I said, I'm a new braider, so I don't know. I knew that I was not going to know how to do the back of my head. So I just figured next time I'll be able to get that. So my hair is a little tangly. I get this, it's olive oil. I'll leave everything below for what I use. And I'm more so focused on the ends, and then raise it up a little bit just because my hair gets really dry, and these braids I'm hoping will last me for a good amount of time because I'm going overseas to do some traveling. And then the gel I use for my edges and to just like make that part super clean is edge tamer. Looks like this, and I just grab a little bit like so. All right, so let me zoom in. So first I start out with the 3 individual sections, just like a normal plait. And you want to make sure that you're like detangling at the bottom, because man, do these braids tangle up and like they'll braid themselves at the bottom. It's really weird. Okay, and then when I get comfortable, then I stop right here. Grab this piece of hair and make sure that it's like even with the length. Okay, so you still see these 3 right here. So we're gonna put this in the front and middle piece. and then we continue the braid. So you see we still have this little section right here. And then we have one more. Grab the hair, make sure that it's even. And doing the same thing, making sure that it's connected to the middle and the front. And then we're just gonna twist under like a normal braid and continue on. How the braid looks, and then we just flow it back. So I have this whole section that I need to get done today, and then I'll dip my hair, but I'll show you guys more of a process later. All right, so let's do one more section just to make sure that we got it. So here's one piece. Hopefully it's easy for you guys to see. like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time. Love you. Bye.